Hey guys, Ross here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while and finally I'm back to the channel, and today I'm going to share with you guys something really exciting. I just got myself a new gift. I would say it's a gift for International Women's Day, maybe. Anyway, so here's a gift. Let's get it started. Ta-da! I love it. Yeah, I just got it from Jewellery and it's so unbelievable. I don't know what to say, but I've been eyeing for this piece for so long. And here you see Habib, the gift of happiness. It is a gift of happiness. Yeah, I love jewelries. Yeah, jewelries are the woman's best friends. Ta-da! Wow! Guess what is it? It's something really delicate and small. Okay, I love it so much. Yeah, so just let me show it to you guys. Ta-da! Oops. Okay, 3, 2. There you go. I love it so much. It's a pair of like gemstone earrings. Yeah, you can see like amethyst here with topaz and with a little small diamonds up here. It's a very delicate piece. Yeah, I just love it so much. Yeah, I feel like this is not as bright as crystal, but actually I love their cutting. Yeah, it's just really modest, but it's really nice. Okay, and the diamond is actually pretty small. You can barely see it, but anyway, I love the design. Yeah, I've been eyeing them for so long and I'm just so happy I finally got it. Yeah, thanks to atom payment on Jewellery, so I can finally get it. So let me just try it now. Oh my god. Okay, I love this. Okay, oops. Just let me take this off. Let me put it on. Yeah, I just choose a very basic outfit today, like a white tube top with with the white pants. So all white. Yeah, it's all white. And okay, and the one on the right, I love it. How do you guys like it? Yeah, I really love jewelries like these days. Yeah, but it depends on their price range, of course. Yeah, I think every woman loves jewelries, right? There you go. How is it? I just love it. So cute. It's really shiny. Yeah, it's not really shiny, if you can see. And that's pretty much for today's sharing. I hope you guys love this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also like this video and share with your friends. I will see you guys in the next sharing. You guys, bye.